Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
So today we have another exciting video where we will be doing the who is most likely to challenge or tag or whatever you want to call it. So before we get into the video, please ensure that you subscribe to our channel, you give this video a thumbs up, and ensure that you leave a comment down below because we really like to hear from you guys. Yeah, we like to talk, so just comment so we can reply. We like doing all of that good stuff. So
without further ado, let's get into the video. Intro.
Yo, in a top farm. Man a shoot and a score, Steph Curry. Going for the foods, man, they tell the chef hurry.
Hey guys, what up again? Remember guys, we have a good promotion going on. So if you guys are interested, please send in your information. Just send in your information for us to build the intro or channel art for you.
And the giveaway that we are talking about, we will link it in the card section above. There was a video that was made about it. In the description box there will be the requirements for entering this giveaway, so you can go ahead, you can scrutinize our description, and while you are doing so, you can go ahead and subscribe.
Yes, so let's dive into the video.
So we are going to be doing at least 20 to 25 questions. So what we're going to do is we have name tags. So what we're going to do is to hold up the name of the person who is most likely to. Understand, like? Okay, guys. So our first question is, who is most likely to always be happy? Me? I'm a jolly little fellow. Alright, next question. Who is most likely to forget something important? See, we know each other very well. Kim, really big. Remember things. Who is most likely to fall while walking? Oh god, guys.
I don't know, Raquel should drop off the flat surface. Walking on the earth, and this earth.
Oh
I think the earth is really round and it have an edge. Raquel always drop off at the edge. I don't know, a person just walk and just drop.
Look.
They're not drunk.
Look, when I walk and then my foot just bump on the ground. I don't know, it just always happen. I don't know why. I mean, always lift my foot while I walk, so I don't understand how that happens. Anyways, who is most likely to be the most popular person in school? Kim. You were the most popular person in school, right?
One of the
most popular. I was popular. Yeah, whatever. People know me. Moving on. Who is most likely to take care of other persons while sick? You said me.
I said me.
So well, both of us. But both of us, it's true. We don't like to see persons like in need or in any form of whatever you call it.
Situation where they can't help themselves.
I love how you complete my sentence. Thank you. Alright, next. Who is most likely to be impatient?
I am. I don't like to wait
Jesus.
on nothing.
God.
I don't like to wait on food, bus, sleep. I don't even like to wait and sleep. And
he is very impatient, like terrible, like miserable impatient. It is so annoying.
Yes.
Okay, next question. Who is most likely to complain about things?
Both of us. But rock more.
Look, I don't call it complaining. I'm just voicing my opinion, okay? Well, him call it complain all the time.
Yeah.
I try to if you say how me feel about a certain situation, I'm complaining. Like, isn't there a difference?
No. People should be giving thanks.
Yeah, but when you have to talk about how you feel or if something bother you and you want to say, you know, like it this way or what, that is not complaining.
Just give thanks.
Like,
That's all. Give thanks.
Anyways, moving on. Who is most likely to be sweet?
Both of us.
We're sweet pies. We're sweet pies.
I'm a sweetie guy.
Alright, don't get too ahead of yourself. Okay.
Done.
Alright, you're not getting ahead. Who is most likely to be the healthiest?
Well, I'm putting up me.
Me?
No, Raki's very sticky. I don't know, but let me give you a story, not to stray away. So we were on an exercise routine. Rakisha was exercising every day. I was doing anything, just at home, being lazy. And then I went to do medical, both of us. We jump on the scale, and can you imagine, guys, Rakisha exercise every day, I expect pumped up, you know? It was the same thing like lazy man, same weight, nothing changed. So I say, boy, just sit back, relax, and eat. And trust me.
I was like trying to, you know, let the rear ends and the hips, you know, get put on a little bit of muscle.
So to me, she weighed less than that before.
Yeah.
So guys, if you weigh 135, you weigh 135.
Anyways.
I was hard workers.
Well, we're very healthiest. Toss it out. Who is most likely to be nice? It's like who is most likely to be sweet?
Yes, both of us. Yes.
Who is most likely to be best at school?
Well, Rock. I'm not a school guy.
I'm a school girl. Who is most likely to be a good cook? Wow. Wow. No, I'm the cook of the house.
You are the cook, but the question is, who is most likely to be a good cook?
Jesus is Lord.
We are trying to diss me?
No.
By national TV?
No, being the cook of the house doesn't mean that you're a good cook. You can cook.
Oh my god.
But who is most likely to be the good cook?
Cut.
Where you going? Where you going?
But we can't believe say you tell me on TV say I'm not.
Come, move it on.
No, alright, hold on, people.
Don't
Honest to God,
move
Jim.
it
How is
on.
my cooking?
Ratisha, you can cook very well.
So what are you trying to say?
You can cook very well. I'm not trying to say anything.
Okay, we'll move on. Anyways, who is most likely to fall asleep during a party?
I don't know. Maybe Rock. Cause she loves sleep every second. She watch men are up together and she just gone to sleep. And they tell you say she just doze off. She just see the show and doze off. It make no sense.
But I talk to people all the time. Maybe. I don't know.
Maki, she had a sleep at one party. Me know. She did that dance and then she just dropped asleep.
Alright.
Well.
Sorry.
That little bang here.
Who is most likely to be the best at math?
I am.
I'm okay at math. I'm okay at math. Not the best. I'm average at math. So that counts. Who is most likely to cry when happy? You ain't crying nothing. I'm most likely to cry. You don't cry.
Oh, no,
You don't cry like me.
Well, you cry for everything. She's a little baby. Cry baby. What's up, baby? You alright? You on breast?
Alright, who is most likely to be smarter?
Let me see this.
I think both of us. You know why? Because each of us, can't even talk.
Everyone have their different ideas.
Right, everybody have their own strengths and their own weaknesses.
Yeah.
So we are smart in different aspects.
Yes, that's true.
Who is most likely to buy things that they don't need?
Well, look at this. This is Rock. I don't know. Rock does buy everything that, everything that's out there.
Let me see it and it look nice. Like we can use it now. Like, like, this is a lady, this is a girl's thing. Like, you go out and you buy things and in that moment you need it, but then when you go home, you realistically don't use it. Alright, this question, who is most likely to crash their car? None of us.
Yeah.
Honestly. We are very responsible people. Next case! Alright, moving on to next questions. Okay. Who is most likely to give all their money to charity? Kim just soft hearted.
Yeah, and I don't have it, but I don't have it.
Like, me know half and half. Like, charity get some, me have to live too. You understand? Charity will get some, but me have to live too. Get me
I talk about charity. When people give, people should not give to receive. I don't believe in that. Just give because you know say somebody really need it, and you don't feel bad if me walk down all the way up there, so I know some left a person down, so I know you can't do nothing to get it. But some persons don't not give. Like some people I see on the road, no matter what happen, we just never give them. Some of them look even feeble, but we just never give them because there's just a special reason why we never give them. For example, me ask a man, what you want? You want the money or you want the food? Give him an option. You beg, you want the money, you want the food. If you don't want the food and money, you want to go buy a cigarette. When you give man the money, man goes to buy a cigarette.
True. That normally happens. Alright, next question. Who is most likely to rule the world?
I rule the world. I will rule it. Who is that?
Everybody
which name is that?
wants
Wait.
to rule. See, that means you.
So guys, if you enjoyed this video, let us know.
Yeah, that was our last question. We don't want to stretch the video out far too long. So if you guys really enjoyed this video, please ensure that you give this video a thumbs up if you're passing by. Hello. That's the end of our video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we will see you guys